Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: MBBS, completed internship, and a valid registration. Once confirmed, assemble the required documents and scan them at 300-500 KB so uploads are fast. Next, create your login using a reliable email and mobile number. Keep a payment method ready. You do this now to avoid delays, start the application portal, verify your contact details, and read the instructions section carefully. This saves time later and prevents rejected uploads or mismatched identity data. You proceed to fill the application form methodically. Enter personal data, exam history, and registration numbers while double-checking spellings. Once entered, upload each document to the correct field, use PDF for certificates and JPG for photos. Preview every file to confirm clarity. Then choose your preferred exam center and paper medium. Make selections deliberately because changes may be limited. After that, review the entire application summary. Use the edit function for any corrections before you move to payment and final submission. You now complete payment using card, UPI, or net banking. Save the transaction ID and download the receipt as a PDF. Once payment clears, submit the application and immediately download the confirmation page. Print one copy and save a digital copy. Make sure you note the exam date and provisional roll number. If something goes wrong, contact the help desk and escalate within 48 hours. Have corrected documents and screenshots ready. That troubleshooting step fixes most rejections quickly, so act fast and document every communication.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.